So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from a subscriber. So I have a subscriber, Joyful Stitching, who has been one of my earliest subscribers, and she has always been so positive in the comments that she makes, so complimentary. She has been so thoughtful and generous. She got me a gift certificate from A1 Sewing and Vacuum in Reno. I love that shop. I don't live in Nevada, but I've purchased lots of things from Jeannie at A1. And so she got me a gift certificate, and it's so incredible. I really can't believe it. And so I wanted to show you what I received and what I purchased from A1 with Joyful Stitching and her generous gift. So let's look at what I have received. So I haven't opened and looked in the package. Of course, I know what's in here, but it's always such a fun surprise when you order something and then get it in the mail later. So I have opened it, but I have not taken anything out. And so let's take this out. So what I've purchased, and again, I am just so grateful for Joyful Stitching, and um, this is just incredible. So I have a lot of fun things that I wanted to do, and let's go through them. Now I do have one digital item that I purchased, and it is the storybook pillow, and that is right in my Kimberbell account. Jeannie just attached it to my email, and so I did get the digital file for that. Another little kit that I purchased was several years ago. Kimberbell did a little taco cord keeper, and it was a digital dealer item. I have that file. I've had that for a couple of years, but I've never made it, and I purchased a little kit from Jeannie, and so I'll put a little picture of the taco. It is just the cutest. It's just to help wrap cords, and maybe if you're traveling, but who doesn't love a taco? And so this is the kit to make that little taco cord keeper. So the next thing I purchased was a little 4-piece spatula set. And most of the time when I'm holding things down while it's embroidering, I use a wood point turner. And so I thought, this would be great to use for holding things down, but lots of other uses. And so this is a fun little 4-piece set, and you can see how fun the colors are, and they're metal. The next item that I got was this little pumpkin table runner. Now this is an add-on pattern to the Hocus Pocus table, Hocus Pocus quilt, and I have purchased the quilt pattern several years ago. And as I was looking at A1, I came across this table runner add-on. Again, you do have to have the pattern, to do this little table runner. And I thought that would be such a great little fun, quick quilting project. And so this is just a regular quilting table runner. It's not machine embroidery. And so I can't wait to do that. Now, the next thing I purchased is the fabric kit, or this actually might be an embellishment and fabric kit. You can see it has all sorts of fun items. It's the whole kit. So fabric and embellishment kit for the Home is Where the Haunt Is pillow. Now I have this pattern, but I haven't stitched it out, and I didn't have, the fabric kit or the extra embellishments. And so I'm so excited. I love the Kimberbell Halloween. I think this would be just a great addition. And so I haven't decided if I'm going to make it a pillow. I will probably make it as a little wall hanging. And so I got that cute kit. I love it. And I also got the Nativity Stuffy fabric. kit. I purchased the Nativity Stuffy file not long ago, and this is I think a year or two old, and so I was looking, to buy the kit. I do want to use what they use, and you can see it's a lot of felt with some solids, and so I was so glad that Jeannie had this available. I have several grandkids that are smaller. I have a whole range of grandkids from 1 up to 18, and maybe even more news on that later. But my littler ones, I think this will be a great, fun little project, and something that they can have. So my plan is to make them each one, but I was really excited to get this. So I will be making those nativity stuffies. Let me show you a picture of the storybook pillow that, again, I got for my younger grandkids. They can put a book in this little pillow. It has a pocket, and they can put it on their bed or on a chair in their room and have that book ready for bedtime stories. So those were all the great things that I received from A1 Vacuum and Sewing in Reno. Of course, made possible by Joyful Stitching. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to make videos on all of these fun projects. So again, Joyful Stitching, thank you. It was really incredible and so generous, and I really appreciate you as one of my early subscribers, and thank you.